What's the best part about Save Club? Okay, because there's a lot of cool things that you're going to hear or watch, uh, especially when it comes down to searching YouTube or maybe, just going to Google. Okay, but what the hell is Save Club? All right, it's a club that you save. Hasn't there been savings type of clubs around for like the last 1 to 2 million years? Yes, the cavemen and cave women, when they were hauling ass, running from dinosaurs trying to step on them or eat them, they came up with a savings club. It was called Save Your Ass Club. And all the cavemen and cave women said, let's all join together and build forts or dig holes or try to burrow in caves. And we're going to save each other's asses. Okay. And that was the very first Save Your Ass Club. And now we just have Save Club because your ass is going to be in good shape if you join us because you're going to save on creams. Okay. Maybe Pampers, diapers. If you're an adult, buy adult diapers. Sometimes it's just fun to sit here and go to the bathroom because I literally have a bathroom about 10 to 12 feet to my left. And I would rather just hang out with you guys and smell this delicious candle from cinnamon sugared pecan wax. Oh my gosh. Oh man, I wish you could really smell. That's one thing about the internet. I hope they have like an aroma thing because wouldn't that be cool? Like you're on your home computer or maybe the butthole of the phone. See that little butthole right there? I think that's a speaker, isn't it? Hello? Wouldn't that be great if I could say cinnamon sugar pecan candle and you could smell the butthole of your phone? Oh man, wouldn't that be cool? You know, I'm kidding, but in 5, 10 years, there's probably going to be some type of scent or aroma that will squirt out the holes of your phone because they do out of my body, that's for sure. Okay, Save Club. What is this thing? All right. It came into my lap about less than 30 days ago. What's funny is it seems like it's been months and months, but I've been having so much fun just promoting the links and the opportunity to save money and then earn money too. Okay? Save money, earn money, count me in. I don't care if you're a multimillionaire, and I've said this on many of my videos. Some of my most wealthiest friends, they still say save money. If you can get a discount on tires, if you have a coupon for 10% off at a hotel or a restaurant, why not? Why would you want to pay full price? You busted your ass to be maybe a millionaire, or maybe you're 100,000aire, or maybe you're just lucky enough to have like an extra $1,000 each month. Okay, which is nice. You've got more than it takes to break even on your mortgage, your family, finances. Oh my God, car insurance, automobile, gasoline, diesel. All right, you got to pay for electricity, heated water, electricity, even cell phone service, and a crazy addiction to toys and other nonsense that I seem to have a small problem with. Do you have any Hot Wheels or Lego kits for sale? Uh, Email me or call me. Okay. And if you have any more of this cinnamon sugared pecan candles, oh, it's at that store called Home Interior or something. I can't remember what it's called. Something with a home in it. I think it's just called Home. Okay. But this Save Club, no kidding aside, was the last thing that I thought I was going to do this summer because I produce over 130 car shows with Blaine and Jill with Rockin' Hot Rod Productions. I do voiceover work. I have a radio station literally about 10 feet outside this door right here. Okay. And I have other online businesses that are doing very well. You can look them up. Just go to CoryDraper.com. Every single one of those opportunities make me money every day, every week, or every month. And when I total them all together, it's an insane amount of money. And it's all just from me screwing off, making basically YouTube videos, posting on my Facebook accounts, and occasionally doing the worst Instagram, TikTok videos ever. I don't even try. I mostly use pictures on TikTok, not even video. And proof is in the pudding. If you go to my TikTok, it's the worst TikTok ever, but I get views, likes, inbox messages, and everything. And I don't even try hard, even on Instagram. Okay. But whatever your favorite social media platform is, all you got to do is just upload a link that you're going to get when you join. Okay. You want to see what I do? I make it pretty darn easy. I love saveclub.com. All right. That's all. You go to that link right there and just go to this page. Watch the video here. This is our CEO. All right. His name is Charles Moy. All right. He lives down in Vegas. And if you like what you see, if you like what you hear, fill this out, hit that orange button. You're going to get a nice email from Save Club. And if you want to join, open the email up. Let's get you going. Get your username, password. All right. You'll figure it out. It's not hard to join Save Club. And then let's get you saving money on things you're already buying or maybe buying in the future for real. That's why I'm not embarrassed about Save Club. I really like it. I've used it. It works. I live in America. And over the next 3, 6, 9 months, there's going to eventually be 1 to 2 million deals worldwide in hundreds of countries. This is a worldwide Groupon. Okay, this is where you can save money all over the planet. And right now, our biggest joinees, people joining, are in China, okay, Malaysia, Philippines, and now, according to our Zoom meeting yesterday, South Africa. Okay. And we are not even ready, set, go yet with this. We're in pre-launch still to June 1st of 2025. Today's May 20th. So we got 10 more days before this even gets some traction to haul ass. And right now I got well over 100, 200 people in my downline. I've made about $3,000 already with my new funnel system. It's just killing it. All right. All my downline and everybody in Save Club, they want a funnel because they think that I don't know what to do, Cory. Once I do get some pictures and some videos, sure, I can join some Facebook group pages, which I provide. I have 2 Facebook pages, group, I guess you'd call them groups, and they're invite only. And if you join me, you definitely are going to have access. You're going to meet people all over the world. All right. We have a ton of video, a ton of pictures. These are done where you just upload the video and put your link. And if you want to get fancy, you can edit the videos any way you'd like. But if you don't know what you're doing, go to YouTube and just, how the heck do you upload a video to Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok? Those 3 alone are just outstanding. Upload the videos and just put a nice link. And all I did is put this everywhere. Somehow people are watching my videos. They're going to my Facebook page and they see ilovesaveclub.com. They're like, Cory, don't you like it? What about I enjoy Save Club? I like Save Club. Or should I put, nah, Save Club. Save Club sucks. Should I buy that? Wouldn't that be funny? Go to Save Club Sucks and join today. Maybe Save Club Sucks and Swallows. Wouldn't that be funny? But no, I love Save Club. So I bought that name. And right now it seems to work because you go right to this page here, guys. Fill it out. And let's get you on the leaderboard, okay? Yeah, so far I'm doing pretty good. It looks like I've got number 9. All right, but I'm in the top 10 worldwide, and I'm real proud of that. I have a kick doing this business because I've only been doing it a couple of years, and the more fun I have screwing off, it seems like the more success I have, okay? And I want you to just make money because if you do, I make more, okay? And if you sign up underneath me and you get people signed up, I'm going to help you help them to make money because then you're going to make money, and guess who's going to make money too? Me. I'm concerned 5 levels down. So you, if you join, are number 1 and 4 levels below. I want to help all you guys. I want you to get into the 2 Facebook group pages we have. I want you to get the free videos, the free banners, pictures. I want you guys to get addicted to this because it's already done for you. All you got to do is just teach yourself how to upload on social media. 75%, if not 90% of my downline already know how. They just don't want to talk on a webcam like this. And don't worry, you don't have to. We have videos already done. Don't worry. We have Zoom meetings. So if you want somebody to explain to that person that you might be recruiting, hey, I just want to see humans talk about it. Well, guys, I make 5,000 to 10,000 videos about Save Club a day just on my YouTube channel. Okay? And if you need help, then go seek it because it's there. Okay? There's no holding of hands and kumbaya because we're all online. All we can do is just high five through the internet and welcome you to groups and to chats and to Zoom meetings and to a ridiculous amount of content and recorded video already made. Okay? Somehow I've been able to figure this thing out over the last couple of years. And you know what I've learned? Probably nothing, except that my glasses, they make me look like a nerd and they're only $10 at Walmart. But other than that, you know what else I've learned? That candles that are made out of sugar and cinnamon, oh my God, these smell good. But you know what else I've learned? That if I wear too much blue, it almost makes me look like a dolphin. And you know what else I've learned? That if I save money, I have more money to buy Kiss lamps, Hot Wheels, and Lego kits. And maybe more Barbie dolls. Because that Farrah Fawcett Barbie, based off the 1977 poster, if I told you how much I paid for that, you'd probably slap me right in my cool glasses I just bought at Walmart for $9. That's what I learned. Okay, 10 minutes is up. My little chit chat with y'all folks is done. I'm done. Because all I do is invite you to a video. All right. And how do I do it? Well, I'm going to show you. Okay. This combo works, guys. Now, I always end my video for two kinds of people. People that are in Save Club already or not. And if you haven't joined, go to ilovesaveclub.com and check it out. If you need help with the new funnel system, that somehow it works for me, guys. I just signed up 3 more people in the last 24 hours using it. Go to saveclubfunnels.com. Go to both, okay? And if you don't want to go to I Love Save Club, you know what? If you go to Save Club Funnels, it's going to ask you, are you in Save Club? And if you're not, you can join from there too. But look at both, because if you join me, I'm going to recommend that you go to both those links, check out how the process is, and let's make this fun. And I want you in my Facebook groups. I want you to have all those pictures and videos already done for you. Okay? I'm in a pretty darn good group of people right now that make and create. Okay? We need to help you. I don't want you stuck. If you get stuck, you're going to quit. Okay? There's no good, bad, or ugly to that. If you quit, we're not going to chat anymore. Okay? I don't want that to happen. Okay? All right. You got those 2 links? All right, guys, Cory at CoryDraper.com. You got my email. I'm easy to get a hold of. Even though I'm busy as hell, I love to help you too. Don't ever feel like you're bugging me. I don't care if you email me 1 in the morning or 1 in the afternoon. Okay, I'll definitely get back with you. Okay, guys. All right, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Kiss. All right. You know what is good chapstick? You know what else I learned? Besides that, I look like a blue dolphin smelling candles, and that I buy too many things online. Vanilla latte chapstick. Oh my God. You know what I do? Since chapstick is wax, what I do is I just hold it on my candle and I warm it up. Oh, and then I put it on my lips. Man, I feel sexy in my $9 glasses. That's what I've learned. All right, guys. I've also learned that I got to go pee. So I got to go. Literally. Goodbye.